Hello everybody, our today's topic is arrays and how to create arrays of integers and how to allocate arrays statically and dynamically. So let's first see how different arrays are represented in memory. So here's an array of 5 integers and this is statically allocated array. And here is array B, which is dynamically allocated array. So the difference between statically allocated arrays and dynamically allocated array is that in statically allocated array, in this case array A, the contents of A, the address of A, as well as the address of the first element of array, they will be same. Array A actually begins right here, and we can access array using variable A. The dynamically allocated array is different because now we are using a pointer variable here B, which is located at a separate location than the array itself. So in this case, the contents of A, address of A, as well as the address of the first element of array A will be all same. But in this case, the contents of B and the address of the first element of the array will be same, but the pointer itself is located somewhere else. So let's see it in C++. So the array A can be represented like this. While the dynamically allocated array B can be represented like this. So now let's check the address of A and B as well as their contents and their first element's address. So in this case, all these three values will be same. So as we can see, the contents of A, the address itself of A, as well as the first element's address, they all have the same values or same address. Now let's see how dynamically allocated array is different in terms of the contents and address. So as we can see, the contents of B as well as the address of the first element of the array, they are same. So that means the contents of B would be 007C6B78, and the starting address of the first element of the array B is also same, 007C6B78. However, the address B is different because B is stored at different location. So this is stored at location 004FF984. In case of A, because it was statically allocated, everything is stored right here at the same address 004FF990. So if you see all these three values for contents of A, address of A, as well as address of the first element of array, they all are right here. So this is how we can allocate arrays statically and dynamically, and these concepts are really useful when we're gonna create arrays of objects like rectangle, employee, a car, or any other user-defined classes objects